So a few months ago, I took giant baits like this right here. I took them out to a public pond and tried to catch bass on them. Little did I know that this video that I just randomly made would do like 150,000 views. So after hundreds of thousands of views and several thousand comments later, I got asked and dogged to try and do this challenge again, to try and take giant swim baits and go fish them in a pond to try and catch fish. Sorry to burst your bubble, guys, but today we are doing something similar. We are going to a pond and we are going to try and see if pond bass will hit giant spinner baits. I thought this would be a really cool idea and I just think it'd be interesting. So we're gonna take these spinner baits right here. Again, these are musky baits. They're pulled out of my musky tackle. But to give you a gist on how big they are, here is a normal bass spinner bait and here is a musky spinner bait. So pretty big difference there. So we're gonna go to a pond and see if pond largemouth will hit massive spinner baits. It should be fun. Hopefully we'll catch a fish this time in this video. I know the last video we didn't. And then, you know, we'll see. Maybe we'll end up doing the swim bait video. This is gonna be really cool. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. We'll catch you at the pond. Alrighty. So, you know, I kind of feel like I failed you guys last time. You know, I don't know, you know, I think we're gonna be successful this time. Oop. So here's the deal. We're fishing this setup again, and it's funny because in the last video, is this loud? No. In the last video, I said not to use bass fishing tackle to fish giant lures. And it kind of caused a bunch of nonsense, like a bunch of, you know, anger in the comment section. So y'all need to settle down. What I meant by that was like, first of all, this is my musky gear. This is actually a lighter musky setup that I fish. And what I meant by don't fish giant baits with normal bass gear, I meant like the typical kid that has like an ugly stick or like a medium heavy or medium setup. Fishing a giant swim bait on that kind of rod ain't gonna work. So you need something a little bit beefier. But if you guys wanna know the setup, this is my lighter musky setup. It is a St. Croix Mojo musky. This is the heavy action rod. It's a 7'6". It's a Abu Ambassador SX 6600 size reel. We got 60-pound Power Pro braid in there. And it's definitely not necessary for bass, kind of overkill, but like I said, it's a musky setup, so. Got the lures. We're gonna go catch some fish. I mean, to be honest with you guys, like, this is a big bait, don't get me wrong. It's a pretty darn big spinner bait. I use it a lot for muskie. I've caught muskie on it, but I don't think it's that overly large for bass. I mean, this time of year I wouldn't, I don't know. I mean, I think this would work better in the fall. And that's like the majority of the reason that I'm not redoing the swim bait video. I know you guys want to see it really bad and you want to see me succeed with that, and that's in the plans, but this time of year it's just not that great to be fishing, you know, big baits like that. I mean, yes you can, but where I'm from it's just not too successful. So, or at least for me it's not too successful. So here we go. Getting the first cast in, and let's catch a slaunch, boys. Let's catch a slaunch. I have a feeling that the first fish I'm gonna get with this is gonna be like just a ridiculous appetite, like 1.5 pounder. Like just one of those fish that's like half the size of the lure, but was just like vicious enough to eat this sucker. Try and get this thing way out there. Is that a fish? Oh, what the heck? I don't know if that was a fish or a lily pad. All I know is the drag was not set on this. That might have just been a fish. Like honestly, sometimes you think this is gonna be easier than you thought. Like a lot of times, it's like, yeah, this ain't that big of a bait. Like, it's a pretty logical idea. The swim bait thing, even more, like, I don't know. It's just a waiting game though. Sometimes you gotta fight for it, but just gotta find that one that's got an appetite. That's it. Or I'm gonna take one more cast on the shoreline. It's a little bit clearer on the other side of the pond, so we're gonna try and fish a little more open water. Oh, is that a fish? What is going on? Something swam after. Something's like thinking about it over there. I just saw a wake come up behind it. Not big, but like something was sniffing it. I'll try and go through it one more time. If I can avoid the lily pads. fish. Yes, no way, Trey. I knew something was biting it. Not a big one though. Dude, this is awesome. Look at that. Not a bad bass. No way. Look at that, guys. That is crazy. Nothing huge, but I had a feeling that was gonna happen. We're gonna get a couple of these, I can almost guarantee it. So, I can get that out. I mean, he annihilated that. Oh, no. Well, guys, we caught one. Well, guys, one fish down, and we're gonna see if we can get some more, I guess. But hey, mission accomplished already. I'm not mad. All right, you know, I am content for that matter. But I knew something was pecking at it over there. That wasn't a bad little bass for hitting this big of a lure. All right, all kinds of prickers and shenanigans. We gotta, you know, shorts and flip-flops, I gotta stop doing that. I really gotta stop doing that. All right. After a bunch of random hopping and nonsense. If we can get 3 fish today, like if we're only gonna catch like 2 pounders, 1.5 pounders, like that on this bait, let's get 3 of them. Or just get one just mammoth. I really haven't caught a big bass this year, like, at all. Oop, I just got hit again. Something's biting. See if we can get him to come back on it. There he is. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, got him. That's it. There we go. Whoo, little guy. It's even smarter than the last one, and that right there is why a treble hook, not a treble hook, I'm sorry, trailer hook comes in handy. What are you doing? Get your shake out. Go ahead. Get it. Go ahead. Do it. I know you want to. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just do it. We're getting all tangled up. Look at that. Not even hooked. There's about a 1 pounder right there. Flipped him out. I'll take it. I knew it. Like, I was like, something's pecking at it. Stopped it, and he actually hit it on the paws. Like, maybe I got to slow this thing down a little bit. I'm actually reeling it really, really fast to try and keep it from hitting the bottom and just getting full of weeds. But it seemed like the second I slowed it down, they were interested in it. So let's keep doing that. Try the same exact thing. See if we can go back to back. Because I don't think that's the fish that hit it the first time around. This is gonna do it right here. Ooh. Just one more slow roll. Can we get bumped one more time? Unfortunately, I was hoping I'd get a tank. Hey guys, that's all we got for today. We've been out here. I've actually been throwing this thing for quite a while now. So we ended up getting 2 bass, so it wasn't a complete failure. I think this tactic, like throwing a giant spinnerbait like this, will actually be a lot more productive or more rewarding in a sense. I'm not looking for consistency fishing a giant bait like this. I'm just trying to see if maybe you could almost narrow it down to getting those bigger bass in that pond. So if you guys like this video, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. You can also give me a follow on social medias. They'll be like right down here at the bottom of the screen somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you think I should try this again in the fall, or if you just want to leave a comment about anything that I should try doing here because you guys just like watching me do this stuff, leave a comment below, and you know, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.